Hello and welcome everyone. Let's talk about the opportunities that are in the market right now. Even though we have some bearish momentum over here, we still see some opportunities over there. And there is some nice patterns that we talk about all the time. And let's dive into it and see how we can make money. All right, before we get to it, I appreciate that subscribe, push the subscribe button, give us the like and comments. That's a great way to support our channel. All right, let's get to it. What's happening in the markets right now and what are the trading opportunities that we see. All right, one thing that I start to see that is very interesting is the fear and greed index over time. So right now we are at a fear index. So the fear index is actually showing for us here that we are at a 30. So what does this mean? So we are at 30 right now. We were 44 yesterday. Last week we are at 79. So right before the big dump, investors were looking very optimistic, and then we had a crash. So every time everybody gets too happy and think they're going to be millionaires, the big institutions, the big monies, they usually dump because they see it and it's a great opportunity for them to unload what they have been holding for a while. Historically, you can see here that in February, in the beginning of the year, we were at the 90s. So that's when we had the head and shoulders of Bitcoin, and all the cryptocurrencies kind of tanked. And then when you were at the bottom, Bitcoin was at the 30s. Uh, Everybody was in a fear mode and the institutions were buying, right? So now we hit, a 70 to 80% over here in the index, and now we're at 30. So what is happening over here in the markets? We can see that Bitcoin is actually holding pretty steady. If we take a look at Bitcoin right now, it's holding within the 40s, but usually September is the month where Bitcoin historically have shown to be a minus 8%. So historically, Bitcoin has not been positive in the month of September. And that's what we're seeing right now. It is holding pretty steady on around 47. It is having a very nice consolidation over here. We want Bitcoin to hold these levels over here. If it goes down over here, that should be another buying opportunity over here. If it hits, 40, 1,000 to 38,000 should be a buying opportunity. But in general, what's happening over here? Bitcoin is holding, but we have some great opportunity over here. And I would like to talk about Uniswap. So Uniswap is actually showing really good double bottom right now. I actually hold Bitcoin Uniswap myself. I just posted this on our ideas, and you can see here that he had a divergence, as you can see here, but what we like here is that there is a double bottom formation, there is a small retracement over here, and then it's going to take off, right? So the first target over here is around 26. So the break of the neckline was about 24 40 cents. The first target profits around, probably we can make it 26.50, and the other one that take profit is about $28, which it will hit this triangle formation over here, which is basically a resistance line over here. So all in all, Uniswap is looking really strong. And also Sushi Swap. Let's take a look at Sushi USD. Also fantastic over here. Sushi is actually already on the move. Same pattern over here. Double bottom over here. The entry over here, the best entry will be on the retest of the neckline. This one is not having any retest, it's just taken off. And according to a measured move, this is likely to hit the all-time high. So let's take a look at it and see if this is the case. If this is a measure move we put over here, it should take us to the all-time highs over here of about $14. So we are at $13 over here. So an entry over here is probably not advised. I will not enter over here because the move already took place and the risk to reward does not make sense. But this is a great opportunity happening right now. So guys, this is it for today. Let's keep an eye on these trades, and I will see you all next time. Make sure you subscribe and give us that thumbs up. Thank you.